Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over gold miners ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. Today we are up 1.8% and we still have about 1.5 hours left in trading. On the 1 hour MACD we were at negative yesterday and we are now positive, so we still have some strength in this upward trend. On the daily or 4-hour chart we are off of overbought territory on the RSI, and we are finding support on the 8 and 18 moving averages. And for the daily chart, we are still overbought on the RSI, and right now we may be encountering some possible sideways price action because of what happened last week. We got an impressive rally, and as you know, rallies can't go straight up, so there's some it has to calm down for it to continue to move up. And there is also a possibility of next week the Fed may cut rate, and that would also push gold much higher. So that is also another possibility to look forward to. So on here we have a chance of hitting a possible resistance back to in February 8th, 2017. That's another price resistance that we may encounter, and that is at the price of $42.75. As for support, we're still quite far from the 9-day moving average, which is at $38.06. So if we were to lose support and come back to find support back in the 9-day moving average, that price movement is roughly 4.5% move down. But if we were to reach multi-year highs, it will be a price movement of 7.5% move up. So let's head to the forecast model to see where GDXJ will head to in the next coming days. So gold miners forecast, so 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, 7 days out. So which one of these forecasts that we should focus on? And here we'll compare which trend matches the current trend right here, and we'll focus on the forecasts later on. So this trend compared to the current trend is the best match, and this trend dates back to December 22nd, 2015 to March 21st, 2016. So I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have in the beginning, we have a downtrend right down here, and then we see a quick reversal touching the upper Bollinger Band right here, and let's make this green, and another touch on the Bollinger Band right here as well, and another or third one right down here. And we start to see the same patterns right down here as well. We see a downtrend in the beginning, and then we see the quick reversal into touching the upper Bollinger Band right here, and another one right here, and towards the end right over here as well. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The forecast and outcome would also be the same. So again, back to forecasts, we should focus on December 22nd, 2015 to March 21st, 2016. So back then, GDXJ, or Gold Miners Jr., was down roughly around 2.6%. So not much down to the downside. I would be expecting more sideways price action at the moment. And here's the line chart that I compared the current trend right here and with the 2015 to 2016 trend. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.